Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today I'm making Swiss steaks. That's right. This is an old-fashioned recipe and it's really simple, easy to make. So let's make this easy recipe today and I show you how we can make it even quicker in the Instant Pot. So here are the ingredients. I have salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, sage. If you have fresh sage, you can use it instead. I don't have any fresh sage, so I'm using powder. Smoked paprika, diced can of tomatoes, almond flour, some garlic, onions, and I have 4 cubed steaks and some olive oil. And let me show you how I make these. So I've added the salt and pepper to the flour, and now I'm going to dredge the steaks into the flour on both sides and then go from there. So I got my Instapot preheating in the saute selection, and I'm going to add the olive oil, about a tablespoon, and I'm going to start browning the steaks. Now we're not cooking them through, we're just getting a nice color on both sides because it's going to finish cooking afterwards. So the steaks are done, well, slightly browned. Now I'm going to add some olive oil in the same pot, and I'm going to saute the onions for a little bit, and then I'm going to add the garlic and the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes and that's it. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. And here is the plated dinner. So we have the Swiss steaks made out of cubed steaks, some rice cauliflower, some green beans, and you can obviously have any other side dishes if you like. And this will be our dinner for tonight. And it looks delicious, and I can't wait to try it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.